Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a tour of my skincare fridge. So this mini fridge is actually from Amazon. It's from the brand Coolio, and yeah, let's get a tour inside. You just open it up like this, and I just have it on my sink counter because I have a little plug right here that'll work. So right in the door I have my favorite, all-time favorite sheet mask. This is the Innisfree Manuka honey mask. If you ever have like small little pimples or like oily bumps on your face, I would definitely recommend using this. For some reason, I don't know what the formula is, but whenever I use that and I have those problems with my skin, the next day it is gone. Okay, so down here I have this little SK2 essence. It's a sample that I got from Sephora. They had like a promotion, and this is why I always buy things off of Sephora online, is because they always have cool coupon codes and promotions. So during like last month, I think, when you bought over $35 worth of product, you can put in the code Patera, and then they give you one of these little SK2 samples. I actually used to use the full size of this. Back when I used to travel a lot, I would always get it at the duty free, but since I haven't been traveling lately, I just decided to get my hands on this sample and use it occasionally because I do have some other toners and stuff that I use as well. Over here I have the Drunk Elephant Vitamin C Serum. This is the mini version. Both these come in a package for $30. Would I recommend this? Probably not, because of the sizing. I probably would have just, if I knew that it was this small, and this is also another downside to buying online. Sometimes I don't realize how small the sizing is. But anyways, yeah, I probably should have just went for it and bought the $100 serum, because I tend to use the vitamin C serum more so than the hyaluronic, but it's always nice to have a hyaluronic acid in your collection regardless for moisturization. Over here I have this serum right here. This one's from it's from the brand Rose Active, and it's the Hydra Comfort Serum, and I absolutely swear by this serum. I get this from a spa. I'm not sure what retailers or anything carry this brand, but this really helps with my rosacea and all of the redness of my face. So that's over there. Inside the fridge itself I have a plethora of brands that you guys are probably familiar with, and then this little guy right here, which I'll talk about in a second. So let's go with this first. This one I have the Dr. Jart Cicapair Tiger Grass Repair Serum. Basically this formula and this serum really helps with redness and calms down redness. I do have rosacea and a lot of redness on the face, so I always like to use this, especially since I do use over here, I can show you guys the right there, the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel. That tends to give me a little bit of redness right after I use it. I do have some La Mer over there that I haven't opened yet because I haven't opened one in my other collection, so those I'm saving up for later. But anyways, moving back to the skincare fridge tour. Over here I have another spa product. I have this hydrating serum, and it is from this brand right here called, I can't even pronounce it. I think it's ILLYSSIA, and it is a green dimension day emulsion, and basically this also helps combat redness, and I'm a red tomato, so I always use things that combat redness, so that's there as well. I'm just gonna put this on the side for now. Over here I have everybody's cult favorite, the Jasmin green tea face mist, and this is from Herbivor. It is totally organic and super, I don't know, natural. So if you're looking for something that's totally organic and natural, I would definitely recommend this. It smells a little bit weird because of the green tea, but it is overall a really nice, refreshing toner, especially when it is fridged. Also I have this Jade Roller. I'm so surprised that jade rolling is becoming such a trend. I actually got this Jade Roller while I was in Hong Kong many years ago when I went to Daisan to visit the Big Buddha. There was a gift shop up in the mountains, and they actually had one of these there with a bunch of random Asian trinkets, and I just picked it up, not thinking much of it. I obviously know what jade rolling is because I am Chinese, but it's so funny how this has become like this huge trend in the Western beauty industry. It's just like so funny to me because this is such a granny thing. Like I'm the type of person, I am like a grandma. Like I have so many weird like Asian granny products in my home, and it's just so funny that this has become like this chic new trend. It's like so funny to me, but like, yeah, I have that as well in my skincare fridge, which is kind of, I don't know, I guess I'm becoming part of the Western trend as well, even though I kind of wasn't. Like, now it's part of this whole skincare routine that I have going on. But I love having this in my skincare fridge because it cools it down. It's like having two little ice balls. I have a very puffy face as well, so this really helps with the water retention. So let me just put that down. And here I have more serums. This serum is a B3 B5 serum. This one's from the brand JBMD. I did another video about this that I will be uploading soon. Also advertising another brand along with it that I use in connection with this serum. And yeah, I'll just link it down below. I'll show you guys that later on. But yeah, I keep that in there as well because I love that anything in a glass bottle is really great to have in your fridge because it really cools down the rest of the products inside. And this, when I drop it on my face, it's like ice cold, and I absolutely love that. Great for my redness too, the fact that things are ice cold. But I also really like this serum because it's really hydrating, it's clean, it's easy to use, no irritations, simple, straightforward. Moving on, this is a must for the skincare fridge. This one is Lancome Advanced Genifique Light Pearl, and basically I love this because it actually comes in a roller ball, a metal roller ball. So when this hits the skin and you massage this around your eye, it is absolutely comforting and hydrating, but at the same time like depuffing, and it just like, it like elevates this product. I love this. So that's also in my skincare fridge. Continuing along, obviously to go with the Genifique line, I have the Advanced Genifique Serum. This one, I love it for the neck. Usually people use this for the face, but because my face is so sensitive and I don't feel like I need too much anti-aging on the face, actually my neck needs a lot of work because for some reason I'll always someone with a wrinkly neck. I was born with creases on the neck, and just to combat further aging on the neck, I put this on the neck. So that's in there as well. Very refreshing. Moving along, this is a new cult classic fave. I actually recently got this when it launched like a couple of weeks ago on the Sephora website. This is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. It is a facial spray, but what I love about this product is the mist is super fine because it is in an aerosol can. If I can open it. It is in an aerosol can, so the mist is super fine. I love the spray. I love the scent of this. It is just one of those immediate cult classics, and I love having it fridged because it's nice and cooling, and it just elevates the product once again. Moving along, over here I have an amazing eye cream. I don't usually buy eye creams. I hate buying eye creams because I think it's like a waste of money. Typically I just go to Sephora and I look for the most expensive eye cream and I get a sample, and then it takes me months to get through even like a small little Sephora sample. But anyways, I really decided to splurge this time with the Lotus Youth Preserve eye cream from Fresh because lately I've just been super dry around the eyes and I just needed something heavy duty, and I was tired of using Sephora samples. So I went ahead, took the plunge, and plus it was the Rouge sale, so I purchased this little bad boy. Very expensive, almost unreasonably expensive, but super worth it. And with the added chilled cooling effect from the skincare fridge, this again, it elevates the product, helps depuff my eyes in the morning, and it's just overall an amazing product. So that's in there. Moving along, I also got the mini version of the Tatcha Watercream. I got this in a set with the cleanser as well. And this cream is so amazing. It's a gel formula, but when it goes on the skin, it actually turns into water. It's fascinating, and I just really like this, especially having it chilled. It just takes it to that next level once again. Moving along, the final few items over here, we have the BioEGF serum. This is another serum from this brand right here called JBMD. Again, really amazing, clean, straightforward type of serum. It has a lot of peptides in it, and it's great for boosting collagen and improving the skin elasticity. So I just have that in there as well. Love the fact that it's a glass bottle. Once again, it's really good for chilling the product. And then a cult classic, this one is one of my top favorites. My skincare fridge is starting to sweat a little bit because I've had it open for so long, but cult classic, all-time fave. Highly recommend this. The Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hydra Gel Eye Patches. Amazing. Their gel formula, they're so soothing on the skin, and this is like, I live by this. Like, if I were to recommend anything from Sephora, if you wanted something for your eyes, like definitely this over the eye cream, over the serum. This product is amazing. And then finally, I have this Japanese mask that I'm going to use. It's a collagen perfecting mask, and it's all in Japanese, so I don't know if you can read Japanese, that's helpful, but it's by this brand right here. Utena, I guess that's how you pronounce it. And yeah, it's amazing. It has bird's nest, I believe, in it, and it's just a hydrating jelly mask. And yeah, I just have that cooling inside there for my use later. So let's put all the product back in, and yes, I do kind of sort of know how everything is placed, because I actually really enjoy opening and using the fridge all the time. It's not like I put the things in and I don't use it. It's a constant everyday type of thing. And I just absolutely love every single thing that I have in my skincare fridge. I really think the fact that it is in my bathroom, super mini, super convenient, is it definitely makes me want to use all my products. And also it just like, ooh, this thing is gonna fall apart. And overall, I think it really elevates my lifestyle. And yeah, it's just one of those things that you didn't think you need it, but then when you have it, it's like something you can't live without. I absolutely love this idea, and I love the concept of a skincare fridge. Been putting skincare in my actual kitchen fridge for many years now, but having the convenience of just a mini cute little fridge inside the bathroom is just like genius. Absolutely love it. So that's my tour of my skincare fridge. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm also gonna be showing off my skincare carousel in another video, I believe. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll link it down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.